Let us see line bond notation in this video. Students, you just listen. N-butane, I have written 1, 2, 3, 4 lines I have written. Each corner you put the one carbon. Spherically I have written the shaded spherical 1, 2, 3, 4. These are considered as a carbon. And this carbon is linked with only one bond. So we should write the valency of carbon 4 minus 1 bond, writing 3 hydrogen. This carbon 4 minus 2 bond is linked, remaining 2, that is hydrogen. For this carbon 2 bond, 4 minus 2 bond 2, that is 2 hydrogen. For this carbon only one bond is linked, 4 minus 1 bond 3, write as a 3 hydrogen. In this just put a dash. So then you write across the H3, H. Then C, this carbon C, and 2 hydrogen H. Then bond C and a bond 2 hydrogen. For this 3 hydrogen. Like this, first you write, first time you're writing. So you first write like this, and then you write a clip and write a CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3. This is CH3, this is CH2, CH2, and this CH3. So 4 carbon is called N-butane. Then another structure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbon is there, an extra 1 carbon on top, another 1 carbon at the bottom. So just to do this, 1 carbon, second, third, fourth carbon, then here 1 carbon, then top 1 carbon, side 1 carbon. So when you choose this carbon, here linked with the 1 bond, so 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. Then for this carbon, 2 bond is linked, 4 minus 2 bond, 2 hydrogen. Then this carbon linked with a 3 bond, 1, 2 and 3 bond. So 4 minus 3 bond, only 1 hydrogen. This carbon, it linked with only 1 bond, so 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. 1, 2, 3 hydrogen. Then this carbon linked with the 3 bond, 1, 2, 3 bond, 4 minus 3 bond, only 1 hydrogen. So this carbon only 1 bond, 4 minus 1 bond, 3, that is 3 hydrogen. For this carbon only 1 bond, so 4 minus 1 bond, 3 is hydrogen. So I have written here this CH3 and here CH2 and this is CH, then linked with the CH3, then bond, then CH3 and bond CH3. So numbering, no substitution present this carbon side. So what I have marked here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second carbon methyl group is attached. Third carbon methyl is attached. So totally 5 carbon. So 2, 3 dimethyl pentane. So the same structure I have written here. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So second carbon methyl, third carbon methyls. 2, 3 dimethyl pentane. So if you get like this, this example. So here a straight bond is there and one top one bond, bottom one bond at the middle. So mark a carbon. So here one carbon. Next to come across this triple bond and meeting this triple bond one carbon, one end, another end also one carbon and last one carbon. So find out the hydrogen. This carbon is attached with only one bond, 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. Then for this carbon, 1, 2, 3, 4 bond is linked. So 4 minus 4 bond, no hydrogen. Then for this carbon, linked by 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 minus 4, 0. No hydrogen. For this carbon, only one bond. So 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. So I have written as it is CH3 single bond and this is C alone linked with a triple bond and next is C and single bond and next is C with the hydrogen. So CH3, C, triple bond C, CH3. You can numbering it as a symmetrical alkyne. So no problem of giving from 1, 2, 3, 4 or 1, 2, 3, 4. Either left to right numbering or right to left numbering, no problem for this case. So 1, 2, 3, 4. In second carbon, ine group is, triple bond is called ine, double bond is called ene, single bond is called ene. So triple bond is ine. So it is a 2-butyne, or we can say but-2-ine. Then write bond notation for this example: CH3, CH2, CH2, C double bond O, NH2. For CH3, I have written this is CH3. Then next to CH2, this one. Next to CH2, this one. Next to C, linked with the double bond O, next with the NH2, CONH2, amide group. So here, CH3, CH2OH. I've written CH3. This is CH2OH. Next, to write IUPAC name of this compound. We are supposed to say IUPAC only. We are not supposed to say IUPAC name. IUPAC is the correct answer. So for writing like this, here consider that is 1 carbon, 1 carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, fifth carbon. 5 carbons are there, and numbering from here is not the correct answer because that is a double bond is present and alcohol is present. So priority should come to this lowest number. So start from here the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Second carbon, ene is started. Same second carbon, alcohol group, and third carbon, alcohol. Now let us see this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a 5 carbon means pentane. So pent. In second carbon, ene. So 2 ene. Same second carbon and third carbon, 2 alcohol groups are present. So 2, 3 diols. Pent 2 ene, 2, 3 diol. So already in the previous video, I given priority of carbonyl groups and carboxylic acid, just to see all the functional group priority, and then you come across for numbering. So write IUPAC name for the following pair of compounds. So here one box they were given, and here one square box or rectangular box is given. So what we can consider that is a closed means it is called cyclo. If it is a 3 means it is a cyclopropane. 4 means it is a cyclobutane. So maybe these two are a cyclobutanes. Definitely they are a cyclobutanes. Then each corner considered as a 1 carbon. 1 carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, and then carbon and carbon. So here also same, but only there's a different positions are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons are there. Now all the nomenclatures are given for this two structure. So we should find out which is correct answer. So first one is cis 1, 2 dimethyl cyclobutane and trans 1, 3 methyl cyclobutane, 2 butene and methyl propene, trans 2 butene, cis 2 butene, methyl propane and methyl propene, like that they were given. Let us see the answer. First you draw the as the question and put a carbon 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbon I have written. When you choose this carbon, it is linked with only one bond. So 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. This carbon, it is linked by 1, 2, 3 bonds. So 4 minus 3 bond, only 1 hydrogen. This is only 1 hydrogen. This 1 hydrogen. Then for this carbon linked by 2 bonds. So 4 minus 2 bond, 2 hydrogen. This 2. Then for this, it is linked by 2 bonds. So it is a 4 minus 2 bond, 2 hydrogen. For this carbon linked with the 3 bonds, 1, 2, and 3. So 4 minus 3 bond, only 1 hydrogen. If you choose this carbon, it is linked by only 1 bond, 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. Come across the another example, that is 1 carbon linked by 2 bonds, 2 hydrogen. this 1, 2, 3 bonds. So 4 minus 3 bond, only one hydrogen for this carbon. Next carbon, it is linked by only one bond. So 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. So I have written 3 hydrogen. If you choose this carbon, it is linked by 2 bonds. So 4 minus 2 bond, 2 hydrogen. Then choose this carbon, 1, 2, 3 bonds are there. 4 minus 3 bonds, only 1 hydrogen. If you take this carbon, 1 bond, 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. So you will get it as it is CH3 I have written. This is CH here. It is linked with the 3 bonds. And this CH linked with the 3 bond. And top CH3. And this is CH2. Another carbon CH2. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. In first carbon and the second carbon, 2 methyl groups are attached. So 1, 2 dimethyl. And it is linked with the closed chain. So it is called as a 4 carbon which closed chain is called as cyclo. 4 carbon butane. So the CH3 and the CH3 are present in a same side. It is a cis. If it is an opposite side, it's called trans. So it is called cis 1,2 dimethyl cyclobutane. And for this carbon, here CH2, I've written CH2, and this carbon CH, CH3, CH, CH3, then single bond CH2, single bond CH2, then bond CH, CH3. So single bond CH, this one, and CH3. So this CH3 and this CH3 diagonally in opposite direction. So it is a trans. So numbering from the substitution 1, 2, 3, 4, or you number from 1, 2, 3, 4 like that also you can number it. So in first carbon, in the third carbon, methyl groups are present. So it is a 1, 3 dimethyl. The structure is in a closed structure chain. So it is a cyclo, 4 carbon cyclobutane. So trans 1, 3 dimethyl cyclobutane because in an opposite direction. So it is called as a trans. Let us see the next example. IUPAC name for the given structure. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. You should mark it. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So for this carbon, only 1 bond, 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. And for this carbon, linked by 3 bonds, 3 minus 4, only 1 hydrogen. This carbon linked by only 1 bond, 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. Then this carbon, 1, 2, 3 bonds. So 4 minus 3 bond, only 1 hydrogen. For this carbon, only 1 bond. So 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. If you take this carbon, only 1 bond. So 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. I have written like this. CH3, I have written here. And then CH linked with CH3, CH linked with CH3. Then one bond, CH. So here linked one bond, CH with linked with the 2 CH3. So we can write in this form, or it is random. We can write like this, or we can write as it is the structure. CH3, here look at here, CH3, single bond, the single bond, CH linked with CH3, CH linked with CH3, and then bond, here CH linked with the 2 CH3, linked with the 2 CH3. So numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, or 1, 2, 3, 4 also we can number it as a symmetric. So here second carbon methyl and third carbon methyl. So 2, 3 dimethyl. Totally 4 carbon. It is an open chain. So we should call it as a butane. So 2, 3 dimethyl butane. The next IUPAC name for the given compound. Here 1 carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth carbon, and fifth carbon. So consider numbering from not from here because this is guessed. That is 1 CH3. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbon means butane. In the second carbon, methyl group is attached. So it is 2 methyl butane. So let us consider this one carbon in blue color spherical shape, and this is one carbon, and here one carbon, and this point one carbon, and this end also one carbon. Next, this carbon is linked with only one bond. 4, my carbon valency is 4, so 4 minus 1 bond, 3, that is 3 hydrogen. Then carbon linked with the 2 bonds, so 4 minus 2 bond, 2 hydrogen. Then this carbon, 1, 2, 3 bonds, so 4 minus 3 bond, only 1 hydrogen. If you take this carbon linked with only 1 bond, so 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. Then this carbon linked with the only 1 bond, 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. So I return the structure CH3, this one, linked with CH2. So single bond CH2, and then this linked with CH, and this linked with the CH. Then this CH linked with the 2 CH3. Here one CH3 and here one CH3. So I return a CH3 here as well as here. So now numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. So in the second carbon, methyl is attached. So 2 methyl. 4 carbon is butane. 4 methyl butane. Next here 1 carbon, second carbon, third carbon, fourth, fifth, sixth. So 6 carbons are there. And here 1 carbon and linked with OH. This is main functional group. So put 1 carbon here. Second carbon, this one. Third carbon here. Here next carbon. And here 1 carbon. And here 1 carbon. Here 1 carbon. And here 1 carbon. So now here this carbon linked with only 1 bond, 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. And this carbon 2 bond, 4 minus 2, 2 hydrogen. And this carbon 1, 2, 3 bonds are attached, so 4 minus 3 bonds, 1 hydrogen. This carbon 2 bonds, so 4 minus 2 bond, 2 hydrogen. For this carbon 2 bonds, so 4 minus 2 bonds, 2 hydrogen. This carbon linked by 3 bonds, 4 minus 3 bond, 1 hydrogen. For this carbon only 1 bond linked, so 4 minus 1, 3 bond, 3 hydrogen. So here 1 carbon and 1 bond, 4 minus 1 bond, 3 hydrogen. Here this is CH3. And this is linked with 1 bond CH2, single bond CH2. Then this bond with the CH, this bond with the CH. Then single bond CH2, single bond CH2 OH. Then this CH linked with CH2, CH2. Then this linked with CH, this CH. Then this CH linked with CH3 and CH3. So how have we done? CH3 and CH3. Numbering to be given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like that also we can given, but the most priority is from the functional group. That is main functional group. So it is a functional group from the first carbon, numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is in a second carbon, 1 substitution, and fourth carbon, 1 substitution. So what in this substitution, according to the alkane groups, the priority to be given to the alphabetical order, that is called ethyl group, and this next methyl group. So 2 ethyl and 4 methyl. So it is 2 ethyl, 4 methyl, 1 pentane with alcohol, pentanol. First carbon alcohol, pentanol. 2 ethyl, 4 methyl, 1 pentanol. We can give the numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like this also we can give. Even then 4 will carry the methyl group. When you give like this fifth carbon here, so fourth carbon will carry CH3. But anyhow, this second carbon will have a ethyl group. In the first carbon is a OH. The numbering to be given, only the priority goes to functional group, that is OH. Next, IUPAC name of the compound. And these are the example for you. You just to see and you just work out and don't see the solution directly. Keep as a homework and do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 like that. You write, draw the carbon and try it. And this is also IUPAC name of the given compound. You try for this. And here it is a cyclo, it is a closed chain. It is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it is a cyclopentane. Consider like this. Then this also another example to you. And this carbon, 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 carbon like that you find out. So these are the examples to you. You just work out and don't see the solution directly. You work out in the note and then you see the answer in the video. Thank you, students.